Hello, Chef here with yet another video for you. You'll find this one good. We're going to do some knife sharpening science versus folklore. What am I talking about? Talking about, of course, when you buy a block of knives, what comes in it and how many pieces there are and this thing and everything else going on. So this particular set's a big set. This is like 24 pieces. These babies are made in Germany. They're nice, but if your knife, first of all, if your knife, like this one, doesn't say Germany right there, then it's not a German knife. The trick is, all these manufacturers are making this stuff all over the place. You can actually see it in the blocks. The blocks easily crack and split, and they're too thin. They're made in Malaysia, Vietnam, or, you know, all these other places where the quality is subpar. Even the wood, this is like a rubber wood or something, I don't know, it's cheap wood. However, this block swivels. I kind of like that. But this thing right here, this sharpening steel, that's what it's called, butcher steel, right? This one's 12 inches, it's heavy. It's got a nice heft to it. Most of the ones that come in your knife block are shorter now. 6-inch, 8-inch, 9-inch, and it's garbage. It's an extra piece for them to put in the block. And by the way, this does not sharpen your knife. I'll give you an example here real quick. This knife is already very sharp. All this does is hone the knife if you can manage the proper angle. If you're not getting an angle like 15 degrees, maybe 20 degrees, you're not doing anything. You're making some noise. Safer way, by the way. It's much safer to put this down and go like this. And you can see what you're doing better. However, it's honing a little bit. So let's get into sharpening with some of these quality knives. The better knives, by the way, are sold individually, not the whole big block set configuration where you're paying $1.99, $2.99, $5.99, $9.99, and you're getting some extra pieces that you don't need. Better to start off with one quality blade. You could even step it up with something like this Porsche Turbo, designed by F.A. Porsche. This baby's sweet. It's balanced perfectly. It's another thing here. The balance, very important. Okay, let's move on to the sharpening. Quite often we measure our knives' sharpness with a piece of paper. Why? Because it works. A dull knife will not cut a piece of paper easily. I'll show that to you real quickly. Here's a cheese knife. The resistance. That's what you don't want in a knife, the resistance. This thing needs to be sharpened, and by the way, it is serrated. So a sharp knife, here we go, same piece of paper, same angle. A sharp knife will cut that paper. This is cutting the paper pretty easily. It's not that sharp. This one, right here, trust me, I know the sharpness. Also the balance. Sweet knife right here. Watch this. That knife is very sharp. So these need different things done to them for sharpening right there. All right, these are facts. We're debunking a bunch of myths going around right now. All right, one more. Sharpening steel again. This one is diamond. Did you know these things collect lots of dirt, dust, steel, metal? I'm wiping it off right here to show you. There's a ton of particles on there. I don't want to eat this stuff. There's chemicals, possibly. There's diamond crystals. There's steel. All kinds of things going on here, right? Think about that. Now, let's use this and hone a knife that needs some sharpening really quickly. Here, I got a little utility knife, and I know this thing's not very sharp. Let's check it on the paper. Terrible. So you can use this, and you can put a quick edge on the knife. However, this, what I'm doing right here, You see people doing this on TV, even if they don't know what they're doing, or they're well experienced. They're definitely not sharpening the knife very much. Here we go. Example. It's sharper, still far from sharp. It's nothing like this. You can see that. All right? So, moving on. What do we do with this? Well, we keep it for entertainment and a quick honing. Goes back in the block. Let's move on to some actual knife sharpening. Okay, for actual knife sharpening, you need a sharpening stone and you need the guide clip. It does many, many things. I'm going to show you why. The guide clip goes right over the knife. It's plastic lined stainless steel. The guide clip gives you now the perfect angle on the left and on the right. That's what you need. Now, if you don't have a diamond stone like this, that's fine. Let's just say you have a regular sharpening stone. One like this. This is a 1000 grit, made in Japan. This is a super stone. Really, really nice. Your stone should be wet. Same thing. Left and right. Same angle. So for wet, you don't need to soak it. You just apply a little bit of water. Like this. A little bit of water on the stone. So it's wet. And you go like this. Keep some pressure on the knife. Use the guide clip. Repeat, other side. Take the clip off. Let's check it. Wipe it off first. Okay. Now, got a clean piece of paper. Let's see just what this knife did with the sharpening stone. Yeah, it's sharper. That is knife sharpening. I'm going to repeat a few more things. Here we go. Back to this dull utility knife I showed you earlier. You can do it without the guide clip, but you'll never get the exact angle. I'll show you. This is about 15 degrees. 15 degrees. Wipe it off. Check it on a piece of paper. Sharper? Yes. As sharp as my other knives? No. This knife is sharp, however I'm going to use the diamond stone and get it sharper. A little bit of water. Move the water around. The stone is now wet. Correct angle. That's all it takes, few strokes. Okay, clip comes off. Wipe off the knife. Check it on a piece of paper. Here we go. The knife is sharper. I'm going to touch on one more thing. However, this is what you need. A sharpening stone and the guide clip. You can get them at the sponsor, of course. Support small business. Buy the best quality the first time. Avoid the mass-marketed junk. You know who sells all that stuff, right? Switcheroos, cheapy knockoffs. Yeah, of course, free shipping on every single thing imaginable. But they don't have this quality. That's what you want. Stainless steel, plastic lined, perfect angle. Okay, when you move up to quality and you get something really nice like this one here, and you want it to be just a little bit sharper, all you really need is a leather strop. And you can check these out at the sponsor. They got them. You could make one. You can get it here or there, everywhere. Some of them get expensive. This one is an antique. It's probably worth $100 to $200, but you can get an inexpensive one. So you just take your knife and you just polish it like this. See what I'm doing? Repeat the other side. Okay, do you think that's sharp? Oh yeah, let's check it out on a piece of paper. I can do an S shape for you. Follow it again. That's why I use paper to test it. We can test it on food too, but anyway, that's one of the sharpest knives you'll ever see right there. Of course, you can get it at the sponsor. I do like a lot of things about it. The shape, the balance, the feel. It's about an 8-inch blade, the tanto point, the balance, the thinness of the blade, special KA6 angle. This was tested as the sharpest knife in Germany. This thing splits hairs. I also really like cutting on the end grain butcher block. Nothing beats end grain butcher block. I'll show you. I got one of these gigantic peppers. Perfect for a demonstration. I'm going to show you why. It cuts so easily, a knife like this, the quality. Here we go. We're going to split it first down the middle, right down the center. Look at that. That is a perfect split. Cuts even right through the seeds. Now, I've removed the seeds as well as the pith. I'm going to stack these up together because time is of the essence. I'm going to push them down flat like this. I use my knife, rocking motion. For a perfect cut, first we remove a little bit there, and then we're going to do either a julienne or a brunoise or something consistent like this. So easy, like this. Little quick slice. You can also rock it, just like this. It's so nice to cut on this end grain. And I'll remove the other end. There we go. Line them up. I got some nice little julienne-like pieces. Really cool looking. And I'm going to do a brunoise for you as well. So for a brunoise, you want them to be as straight as possible and just straight down like this. So nice to cut on this end grain. That's close to a brunoise there. I like it. I can roll with it. So yeah, check it out. Visit your sponsor. They got these babies in stock. This is the real deal here. And the end grain butcher block, the very finest you can get. This knife is sharper than any knife in your kitchen. Trust me. I've been in thousands of kitchens, mansions, hotels, restaurants, fine dining, you name it. This knife is sharper than 99.9% of the knives in the United States, probably on Earth. It's like a wicked razor, surgical. And that makes the cooking more pleasurable, having a good quality knife. Paired with the end grain maple, it's the best. By the way, people do ask about this surface. This one was installed in this kitchen about 30 years ago. It just keeps going. We oil it once a month, roughly, and it's been through hell. This has been cut on probably 10 million times by all different people. You can slice and dice, you can scratch it, you can chop as fast as you want to. You're not going to hurt this wood. It kills germs naturally. So yeah, buy the best the first time. Thanks for watching. Share the video. Once again, this is Knife Sharpening Miss Debunked. Science versus folklore, the real deal. Oh yeah. It's going to be good. Try out this recipe. You're going to love it. The awesome, healthy recipes. Live longer and get the best products the first time. Yeah, support small business, get cooking, and have a wonderful day. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff. And it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. Improved design. Thanks for watching. Get them at your sponsor right there. While you're there, shop the butcher blocks. Perfect gift. Perfect gift. Oh yeah. Let's get cooking. It's gonna be good. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. They come large, they come medium, and they come small. 3 sizes. Perfect for the ladies with the little hands. The glove's made to be loose fitting. It's not a tight fitting glove. Slides on and off. Put it in the dishwasher. Put it in the laundry machine. It doesn't matter how you wash it. Let it air dry. It's good. This glove is probably 10 years old. It's still going. So visit the sponsor. They got all these babies in stock. Like I said, 100% made in USA. That's the difference between shopping small, buying from a small business in the USA, and buying all the cheap garbage that's mass marketed by the big merchant. You know who they are. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Dragon fruit persimmons relish. Thanks for watching. Hit the love button, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh, that's gonna be good. Try out this recipe and make sure to subscribe. Please share it as well. It's gonna be good. Don't forget, the butcher block is the perfect companion to the knife. You need quality butcher block. Hit your sponsor right there. They're made in the USA. They give you free shipping, no tax most areas. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, yeah. Search soups on this channel. You'll find a whole bunch. Most importantly, make sure to shop the sponsor. That's going to keep these videos going. And why not? Buy the best quality products the first time. Talking about these Japanese knives, butcher block, made in the USA, the best you can get. This one has been cut, chopped, scraped, and cooked on for over 20 years, and it looks new. Check it out. Yeah. One grade Madagascar beans. They also have a variety of beans from all over the world. You can also contact the sponsor if you need gallons of extract, vanilla paste, or other gourmet vanilla products. So this is what I'm talking about right here. Sticky, the sticky. Let's get into the sticky. Oh yeah, I'm going to put a little on this knife. By the way, this is a Japanese Damascus knife. You can learn more about this on the channel. Just search Japanese Damascus knives and you're going to learn about these things. I'm making homemade vanilla extract. I want to show you these awesome vanilla beans. Sponsor's label right here, Chef Depot label. You want to use these together or your own homemade with the beans. Yeah, use these together in any recipe and wow, it's gonna really, really kick. Some of my videos are touching on knife safety, so I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection, no cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America, made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. I really like this crust recipe, and you can find it on the channel, of course. Even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. The sponsor can help you with selection, sizing, base colors, discounts, free shipping, no tax, and even installation. One of the few companies left that actually provides customer service and can help you to improve the look and function of your new kitchen. Call them now. All right, check out the sponsor. They've got free shipping, no tax most areas, and they give you discounts. This is the best stuff there is. Subscribe right here. Check out the sponsor over there in the links, and call the sponsor with any questions you have. They are experts. Combined, they have over 50 years of butcher block experience. Installation, staining, finishing, wood choices, kitchen designers, builders, and hotels, restaurants from around the world do business with the sponsor. Give them a call. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Wow. I like it. Don't forget to score all of your maintenance products at the sponsor as well. Cutting board maintenance is so important. Follow these tips. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, and styles, all made in the USA.